This is Kimaru power adapter. It is for Panasonic Lumix like GH4, GH5, GH5s or G9 cameras. And I bought this one because I want the power can be used longer. Usually one battery can last only like hour, at most hour and a half. But sometimes when you're in the middle of the shoot, everything is set up, but you have changed the battery. So I bought this one especially for what is said for a lot of protections like voltage overload, currents overload, power overload, temperature, lightning strike, short circuit. Price is very affordable. Let's look at what's inside and then we'll test on the camera. So this is the like a power extension cable. The cable itself, I think, is pretty good. The plastic is super hard right here, and the cable looks like it's pretty solid build. And also it gives the organizer. Let's see the length. It's pretty long. This is the adapter. Also, it comes with the organizer. Here is kind of like a little protection. And let's see how long is it. I think it is long enough for your camera to reach the power cable. Let's see what it is. Alright, this is dummy battery. Today I'm going to use my GH5s to test the power adapter. Now there's a battery inside. I'm going to remove my battery. So first thing, I'm going to connect the power to this adapter. And then from the adapter, I will connect it to the dummy battery right here. You see, it's pretty tight. It's not going to lose. And then I'm going to put a dummy battery inside. All right, it's like that. I just took a measurement of this cable. You can't believe it. It's like 9.5 feet and 2.9 meters long. And it's totally enough for me to connect it to the power cord. Now the power has connected, and now this cap, you cannot close it. Have to leave it open. So let's turn it on to see if it works. The light is on. It works like normal, no problem at all. There's no power battery volume left, so you can't see how much left because it's just no power limit at all. Now I'm going to try to record. The recording is no problem at all. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.